everyone, John here at E.C.D Auto Design down in Kissimmee, Florida. Today, we're going to talk to you about our most unique Defender interiors over the last year. You're going to see a little bit of variety, of course, in different builds that we've done, but I think that this 5 that I have in mind kind of recap how special some of our builds really are in their own way. So I'll start with Project QE. QE might look like a very elegant and more of a subtle Defender 110. When you look at the inside of this car, it's absolutely amazing. Our client basically wanted to eliminate as much plastic elements as possible and cover everything in leather or billet metal. So all you switches and buttons, power windows, etc. you're going to find around the car were all changed to billet metal. And the end result is just fantastic. They wanted to incorporate also some nostalgia VT gauges with the interior, of course, and it worked really well. We got some elements of old school as well as the elegance of the metal and leather working together fairly well with that interior. Then we jump into Project Gonna Happen. Now, this happens to be a very special Defender 110 as well, in a different design, of course, altogether. Grassmere green exterior with a beautiful Porsche cognac and Pepita houndstooth accents throughout the seats. Also, our client wanted to add some wood elements that will work together with the steering wheel and the flooring in the cargo area. I think this is definitely one of my favorites. When you look at the cognac leather and the accents of white and black that the textile material brings in, it's just a refreshing look at a Defender interior, and certainly miles away from what other people have done in the past. After that, I'll say Project Poppins is also a very interesting and unique approach to a Defender interior, where we have a distressed leather throughout the cabin, kind of a mustardy tan color, very unique itself, of course. And also we have a plaid material going throughout the inserts on the seat that make a phenomenal balance when you look at the overall interior of the car. Going again with something more traditional on the gauges and different accents on the vehicle, and the exterior of the car, which is just absolutely gorgeous, I think makes this car very special as well. Next will be Project Paradigm. Now, Paradigm is a Defender 90 that I'll describe probably as the gentleman's Defender. Absolutely stunning, dark blue outside. The interior has a chestnut brown tone to it, with some piping around the edges of the Recaro seats and some wood accents throughout the cabin. Also, we were able to do some special accents throughout the doors, of course, and the rear finishes of the car, bringing in an amazing package for the interior of this D90. And number one, I will say it's Project Monarch, which was a labor of love between us and our client, really finding all the details that they wanted to bring in to this particular Defender 110. Now, they saw a Ferrari at a car show in New York and absolutely fell in love with this interior. So we were able to source the exact same leather that they like so much on that car and use it for their Defender. Not only did we do that, but also we extended the leather to the headliner, window trimming, all throughout the seats, of course, and included a Ferrari Daytona inspired stitch pattern that you will see in the middle of the seats, of course, throughout the car. And the end result is absolutely fantastic. We added wood paneling as well in the cargo area, making this car very special. And nonetheless, of course, we have also a panoramic roof system in there to open up the visibility and the sunlight that goes into the car, making that interior even more appreciated when you get into it. There's so much to tell on this car that's definitely what makes it my number one. Now, even though this was $100,000 plus interior selection, the client was extremely happy, of course, that the end result came out the way he was. It's an absolutely stunning E.C.D custom Defender 110. So, of course, we continue to expand and do different types of builds, and in the future, I'm sure that we'll have another set of top 5s that will be just as good as what I just told you, or even more so. So we cannot wait to see what's in store for us here at E.C.D in the future. Bye for now.